Understanding wage cut, a guide for English learners. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're diving into a phrase that you might encounter in news about the economy, workplaces, or negotiations: wage cut. Understanding this term is important, as it can significantly impact workers and businesses. So, let's explore what it means and how it's used in conversation and writing. A wage cut refers to a reduction in the amount of money that workers are paid for their work. It's when the salary or hourly wage that employees earn is decreased by their employer. This can happen for various reasons, such as economic downturns, company financial struggles, or even changes in job roles. Wage cuts can be a sensitive topic because they directly affect people's livelihoods. Employers may resort to wage cuts to reduce costs during tough economic times instead of laying off workers. Sometimes, wage cuts are temporary, but other times they can be permanent. It's a decision that can have a big impact on employee morale and the overall health of a company. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. Due to the economic impact of the pandemic, the airline announced a 20% wage cut for all its staff. The workers were unhappy about the proposed wage cut and threatened to go on strike. The wage cut was a tough decision, but it helped the company survive a difficult financial period. Notice how the phrase is used to describe an action taken by an employer affecting the employee's earnings. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of wage cut and given you insight into its use in various contexts. It's a powerful term that carries a lot of weight in discussions about employment and the economy. Thank you for watching, and we hope you now feel more confident in understanding and using this important